Sir,
Sir, any statement, sir, para sa pagharap niya sa ICI ngayon?
Mamaya na lang.
Good morning po sir. I came before the ICI and volunteered po. I think a week or 2 weeks ago I wrote a letter para po ma-fast track din po ang proseso. I'm sure everyone wants an answer as well. I told the people I'll answer at the proper form at the proper time. And this is it po. I also have my affidavit. And I'm ready to answer po. I'll lay the cards on the table. Facts lang po. I don't wanna invalidate the feelings of people towards the gravity of the situation if I deny. So I had to gather all the evidence backing the allegations against me to prove my innocence.
So yung
Of
accusation,
executive session, what's the reason?
They asked me po, before the guidelines of the live streaming came out, they asked me po, because as I said, I volunteered, I think about 2 weeks ago when I wrote a letter, and they asked either live stream or not, and I really, in respect to the commission, they asked naman po, and I...
Pero sir, why executive session?
Sige, can we do it later?
yung sa father po ninyo, yung sabi, yung father niyo yung tumatanggap on your behalf.
Yes po. Again, it's all hearsay po, sir. Kasi until now, as I said, baka mas mabuti po, bago po magturo, bigay po muna sa akin yung ebidensya laban sa akin. Because up to this point, since September 8, they haven't even given out anything against me or my father. You know, and my father is also willing to go through the investigation. Wala po kami tinatago, hindi ako magtatago, hindi ako iiwas, hindi ako lilipad ng ibang bansa. I am here to thoroughly go through the investigation to fight for my innocence po. And
Sige, we'll do it. Mamaya na, sir. Excuse us. Excuse